click, touch. Make complicated to be simple. Make tradition to be intelligence. Bcomtech. Use high technical intelligent product. Trying to make life easy and comfortable. Bcomtech, a collectivized company which creates and produces video intercom and smart home product. A well-known company of Zhuhai electronic industry with quality prior, innovative technology, and excellent pursuit of R&D concept, make effort to produce high quality, high intelligence, high technology product. Bcomtech Group establishes above company PCBA, Zhuhai, Seri Electronic Technology Company Limited. Casting Mold, Zhongshan, Fushun Electronic Technology Company Limited. Inject Module and Produce Module Case, Zhuhai Xiehe Electronic Technology Company Limited. SMT, Zhuhai BRT Electronic Technology Company Limited. Over the years, we keep innovation, scientific research, and penetrating hard target. Devote to bring newest smart home product to service society and make your life more convenient. Now, our proprietary intellectual property right, including a number of new inventions with patent, new practical new patent and software copyright, known by the industry with reliable quality. Located in Zhuhai, View in Global. Be a member of China Security and Protection Industry Association. Our product approved by FCC, CE, UL, 3C, extension, and selling like a hotcake in both domestics and overseas markets. With honest to be basic, customer to be first as mission. Adhere to quality management system. Strictly control product quality. Our professional technical team and sales team promise customer use excellent smart home product that be a positive additive to life. More perfect than expectation from customer. This is fruit of keeping innovation and experience. Against rich industry experience, countless sleepless nights, and countless technical achievement. Bcomtech aim to create excellent product with widely prized. Diverse items, intelligent usage, fashionable design, simplify installation features, satisfied to different appetite from customers. My complicated technical to your simple happiness, let us enjoy the convenient lifestyle. We believe brand winning by series of adverting for enhanced credibility and additional value of product. Service is important to us. We set branch office in Hong Kong, US, Russia, and UK. All the provinces city with our office. Be ready to service with high-grade efficiency. From one city to more areas, Bcomtech keeps moving forward with good technical support and perfect after-sales service that gets satisfaction from customers. We take the spirit of unity, pragmatic, pioneering, and enterprising to create value for our clients, build a successful stage for our employees, and fulfill our responsibility for social harmony. Here, with our forever ambition, most honest customer, most friendly partner, and well-cooperated colleague. We promise your inquiry is our direction. Exploration road for innovation. It is for better life. In the future, We will continue to create high technical and high intelligent product as target to service society. Let us create a beautiful life for the future.